Hello, dear learner. Today we will talk about the man, the voice of peace, Bacha Khan. Respected audience, today I want to pay tribute to a man whose courage was greater than any sword and whose resistance was more powerful than any army. I am speaking about Khan Abdul Apar Khan, lovingly known as Bacha Khan, the frontier Gandhi and tireless soldier of non-violence. In a time of violence and oppression, Bacha Khan chose peace and education as his weapon. He built an army not of gun but of books, character, and dignity. The Khudai Khidmatgar movement, which taught thousands to resist British colonial rule through patience, truth, and unity. He fought not just for independence from foreign ruler but also for freedom from ignorance, injustice, and hate within our own society. Bacha Khan believed that true change begins within in the hearts and minds of people. He dreamed of a peaceful, educated, and united subcontinent where Pashtun and all communities could live with pride and harmony. Today, when the world is full of division and hate, Bacha Khan's message of non-violence, tolerance, and education is more powerful than ever. Let us honor his legacy not just in word but by living the value he stood for: peace, truth, and injustice. Thank you for listening.